How to kick someone from a group chat on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to throw someone out of the group chat on Discord, the steps are quite easy. First of all, go to the server, and after that, you have to tap on this drop down menu in the server's name. This should now open the server's page. From there, you can see different options such as settings as well. Go to settings and under user management you will see members. Tap on it and here are all the members. Now tap on the member who you want to kick out and here are the rules as well as option to kick, ban or transfer the ownership of the member. So this is how you can kick someone out of group chat on Discord. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.